don't let me forget to remind you about Real Link. Check that one out. Check that one out. But yeah, they got a new dual something or other, this and that camera and stuff. I'll put the link in the description, of course, but it's basically the moment you all been waiting for. The felon has just been felonious as frig around in the zone here. Maybe we should start outside. Or just start in the yard. Where do you want to start? In the yard? Start in the yard. Watch over here a little bit. Yeah. Got some tires. Anybody looking for a tire? Got a couple decent ones, some Ford ones there, nice winners. Yeah, that was good buzz probably, eh? Doniker, all type of bricks and stuff. Got a little pad of words out here now. That's nice. Trailer's all cleared out. Look at all the very little debris. Very little debris. Over back here we're gonna still make some changes, but clear everything out. The old gate, not too bad. Still gotta, move all these trucks and shit, but they're gotta put them somewhere. But like, no real heaps of shit, really. Just a couple things. All the friggin' Rotners, brakes, snow blowers, manifolds, round things, old dirty oil tank. Nice. Look at all the rooms. You probably get a skid steer right in here. Yeah. All my stacks that I'm gonna end up putting on the Peter Schmidt Dodge cab over someday. Maybe, probably not, but maybe. Holy shit.
Check out the shed back there now.
Oh no, what happened? This was gonna be the chicken coop, but then decided that all the way across the yard was less than ideal. Oh my god.
Yeah, put a little of this stuff. Yeah, there's another
nice. That's a good Harris gauge. Sparkler too.
Oh yeah, there should be another one around here somewhere.
Good sparkler there. Good cart, good welding cart. Horse cart. Oh, all my barrel collection, nice. All my propane tanks that some goof dumped off in the scrap bin as if, oh yeah, totally cool, bro. I'll take those, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I gotta get a sign for the scrap bin. These people are fucking stupid as fuck, and a camera for it. Yeah, I'm gonna get a Real Link for my friggin' scrap bin so that I can drop shit off at their friggin' house. When they're dropping shit off here, they're not supposed to. Okay, let's start starting this one, I suppose.
Yeah,
This is the good one. I put these cabinets here, so we can't blame him for that. I just needed them out of my truck. Holy shit. So many more shelvings, helmets, different satchels. Oh, my childhood treasures.
So many treasures.
Oh, my childhood treasures. Holy
There's like sports equipment. There's like a brand new freaking leather motorcycle jacket in there somewhere.
Yeah, I had a motorcycle for a few days. Boots there. All brand new Gibraltar friggin' drum antler. I should bring that in. Oh, more drum stuff.
Yeah, that whole thing is drum stuff.
Nice. Holy shit. Oh, a piece of wood that says Jimmy on it. Oh, my wire. My banja. Yeah. My homemade banja.
Oh yeah, that's that box I was telling you about.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, she's locked up tight. We'll have to Get the pick out.
Yeah.
Get the picks out here. Yeah, you imagine? You imagine have to deal with all that shit? Wait till you even see this though.
Yeah. This is a good one.
Like, holy fuck. Parts.
Yeah. All of that's
parts.
still. Well, all that's sorted now.
Which one?
Anything with the like the labels.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Somebody got the magic marker out.
Yeah. Yeah. This still gotta go through. This is all alternators and pumps and so on.
Couple Cummins. Holy shit.
You know, all the hardwares, lighting stuffs.
I can't see a fucking thing.
Oh yeah, I don't have my phone on me either.
All trailer hitchings. Oh shit! I should bring one out for the Chevy. Eh?
Well, I think it might be about time, huh?
Probably. Got the trailer hitch onto it now. New one.
And you got
New-
belts and straps up top there.
New old stock. Oh shit! All type of bins and all hockey bag. It's probably got hockey gear into it, doing big jumps and stuff.
I can't remember what's in that.
Yeah, I mean, oh, there's that one box. The solar panels and shit in it. Subwoofers, eh? What's
yeah.
really going on? Stereo components, relentless. Couple light bars,
Just a couple.
aux beams and shit. Nice. All nuts and bolts and fasteners.
Oh yeah, yeah. You got enough in the shop. No. You need more. Just a small box.
Yeah, there's only a couple small boxes of fasteners, no big deal.
Yeah.
Eh? Oh, bucket of the bolts for the roof, the dome roof.
Oh,
I got a bucket of nuts somewhere. I think it might be in the shop. I can't remember. But golf clubs, hey? If anybody wants to just whack fuck a guy, play a game of whack fuck, hey? Oh shit! It's just in the lair. We'll show you the lair last. It's got power. It's got electricity. Oh, we got the freaking digging tools. Couple things, but you can get front to back on every fucking one of them too, eh? Some seats, crawdad truck seats, and Dodge door panels a little bit, pewters and stairwards, and holy shit, boys.
Oh yeah, that's the first organization shelf.
Gauges and doodads, all labeled, all friggin' copacetic. Griddles, tires,
steering column,
engines.
up top there.
Oh, there's one of those roller son of a bitch feet that the neighbor was talking about for his golf cart.
Oh, really?
What's it? Yeah, you know, like a trailer jack with the wheel on the bottom, right?
Oh yeah.
But there's electric jacks there too. I should put that on my all my trailers because I think I got 2 or 3 of them. And then we can just use power to instead of like our arm. You know what I mean? Oh, what was that? Oh, my good pipes, my good intercooler pipes.
Yeah.
Another bin of something probably is awesome.
Belts.
Oh, the 83 tires, boys. Maybe one day we'll bolt those on, eh? A couple fenders, maybe. Who knows? That'd be awesome. Oh, yeah. I can't be just showing here willy-nilly, though. This is a Cummins engine just sitting right there, like, right on. Oh, some transfer cases, some more
There's a couple
seats.
buried underneath the cardboard too.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Some piss hoses.
Bunch of hoses.
Dashes. Holy shit. That's like an 06 Dodge. That's an 06 Dodge right there.
Yeah, all the extra parts are there.
Oh, trunk lid friggin' Ramberlinis. Chainsaws. Holy shit.
All the drive shafts.
All type of stuff.
All types of good stuff.
I don't even know how you did it. Oh, there's the friggin' pincher. There's the pincher.
Yeah.
Found it.
Rams and
Oh, subs.
couple speakers.
Fucking subwoofers.
And with I think that's the one wire harness that you're talking about up top there.
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, it looks like Dodge. 320 watts.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh, really?
Nice. Oh, see, there's that insulation board. We'll make those one speakers. I was telling you about that one time.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a whole bunch of stuff, man. Big time. A dome. All the different things. Batteries and chains and buckets of stuff and jugs of crap and a couple subwoofers and what?
Oh.
But yeah, out here not too bad. I'll show them the copper. Should I show them or no?
Oh, this is just the pipes.
Yeah, that's not even sorted yet.
Yeah.
You gotta wait till you come over here for that.
Yeah.
I saw some. Oh, right there. All the ends and solders in there and all the good ones in there probably.
Yeah.
Look at all this. Boys, no looking. No looking.
No spine.
What's over here?
Oh, we got all the tool setups.
Oh, shit. Holy shit.
Yeah. Half of that's what I did today. So it's just all casing.
Yeah, all Sagret. All the butts. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Tools and different things all set up. Luminoids, generator, pump, the other part of the friggin' pincher, saws.
Well, power tools over there.
Holy shit. Buckets. Oh, that's what I need for the friggin' for the what's it right there. That's the guy, I think, for the
Chevy.
For the Chevy.
It's all
Intakes and starters and some first gen Dodge freaking dash component. Oh, here's the fenders for the 83. Better flip out. Oh, I could put that tailgate on the 83 too.
oh Jesus.
Yeah, all these freaking power tools, tarpaulins.
Just tarps.
Like holy shit.
Yeah.
No, you don't have to like, oh, where's a tarp? And then just search for one and then just grab whichever one you can find. Now you're like, know where the tarps are and stuff. It's weird. But yeah, that's good. Eh? That's probably good. Inwood boys, you sant it. No looking. You don't do that. See? See, I told you, didn't I? You don't listen though. Anybody want to come over and work on a Cummins? You got homemade pizza. Way better than store-bought. But yeah. Friggin' felon, ladies and gentlemen, eh? Classy friggin' fella. Problem is, now I don't know where none of my stuff is. Hey? Yeah, hope you're f***ing happy. Do your curtsy. Oh, classy fella, classy fella. Oh, shit. Yeah, but hopefully we're just about done with the cold and it'll start warming up here and we'll be able to really get into the felonious activities. Get rid of that gravel pile. Be awesome. Move all this shit. Holy f***. Can you imagine? Oh, it's supper time. I was coming out to tell you.
Okay. Well, I had a feeling for some reason.
Yeah, probably in your downstairs. Always get feelings in my downstairs.